In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from SSD to hard drive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have to transfer files and data from an SSD to a hard drive, or the opposite. So from the hard drive to the SSD. Doing this is incredibly simple, and you don't need to download any additional tools. Everything that you need to easily transfer files, videos, data, documents from one drive to another is already available natively in Windows. So to start, I recommend going over to the disk management. In here, you can set up all of the drives on your PC. So if you notice that one of them is connected but isn't showing up in File Explorer, make sure that it was assigned here. So you will see all of your drives, and all of them need to have some storage space assigned. So I have two main drives. Both of these are SSDs, but don't worry, the steps are generally the same. So when you connect a new drive to your PC, it's very important that you click here and you will assign the volume to that drive. Once it has been assigned, if you open the File Explorer and you go over to My Computer, or this PC rather, you will see all of your drives available. Now, all that you have to do is find the drive where you want to transfer the files from, and you will be able to locate them. So in this example, I have files on a hard drive. All that I have to do is right-click all of them, and then I can either copy or cut. So cut is going to remove them from the hard drive, and it's going to essentially move them to the SSD. But I can have the files on both the hard drive and the SSD. So I just copied. I pressed Ctrl C here after selecting them, and I pressed Ctrl V here. Or you can also right click and paste. You can then delete the old files and they will have been transferred to the SSD. Of course, there are programs that make this process easier, because if you are going to be transferring a large volume of files over and over again, it can get quite tiring. So look into external programs if you would like to transfer a lot of folders, a lot of documents. But this is something that you can do easily by going over to your disk management page, setting up the drives, and as long as they are connected to the same PC, you will find all of the files between them. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from SSD to hard drive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.